Hello, how to solve for a in this equation? A multiplied by a plus a is equal to 10. Solution. Take note of this, that if you have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, this is equal to 2 to the power of 3. This is equal to 8. Then if you have y multiplied by y multiplied by y, this is equal to y to the power of 3. Therefore, a multiplied by a is a to the power of 3 plus this a is equal to 10. And this is a to the power of 3 plus a minus 10 is equal to 0. Then here we have a to the power of 3 plus a minus 10 can be written as minus 8 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this is a to the power of 3 plus a minus 8 can be written as minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. Let's pair this with this and this with this. We have a to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Now take note of this, that if you have s to the power of 3 minus y to the power of 3, this is equal to s minus y bracket s square plus xy plus y square. Then this can be written as a minus 2 bracket a square plus 2 multiplied by a plus 2 square plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then here we have a minus 2 bracket a square plus 2a plus 2 square, that is 4, plus a minus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, a minus 2 is common here, a minus 2 is common here. Let's bring it out. We have a minus 2 bracket a square plus 2a plus 4. Then plus, if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 0. Here we have a minus 2 bracket, we have a square plus 2a plus 4 plus 1, that is 5, is equal to 0. Then here there are two cases here. The first case is a minus 2 equal to 0, and the second case is a square plus 2a plus 5 is equal to 0. Then a is equal to 2 from here, and this is the first value of a. Then also from here, this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And quadratic general formula is given as a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 5. Then a is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c is 5 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then a is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared, that is 4 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5, that is 20, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 20, that is minus 16, divided by 2. Then A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 16 can be written as by minus 1 multiplied by 16 divided by 2. A is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4, then square root of minus 1, that is I, divided by 2. A is equal to minus 2 divided by 2 plus or minus 4I divided by 2. This will cancel this 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. Then A is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2I. Therefore, this is the second and third values of A. Therefore, our final answers are A1 is equal to 2, A2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2I, then A3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2I. These are all the values of A. You can see that from here we have two complex roots and only one real root. Let's check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, when A is equal to 2, which is the only real root, then we have A multiplied by A multiplied by A plus A is equal to 10. So when A is 2, here we have 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 plus 2 must be equal to 10. And this is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 plus 2 must be equal to 10. 8 plus 2, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true at A equal to 2. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.